I seriously don't understand. I would get violated for trying to show you this new book. The contents in this book is the sister book to this. I'm going to try again because I appealed it and they took 3 of my videos. So let's get into it. I'm absolutely nervous to lose my account over this book. So before I get into it, please like, share, comment, and repost. I don't know if you're ready. They give you a schedule in this book. What to do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Morning, noon, night, afternoon, evening, and before bed. Well, that was a big one for everybody out there. There's so much more. You definitely need to get these. I linked it in this video.